Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market just for you. Today, we're diving into the world of eyeliner, specifically the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner. If you're a beginner looking for the perfect pencil eyeliner, you've come to the right place. The NYX Epic Ink Liner is more than just your average eyeliner. It's a game changer for beginners and makeup enthusiasts alike. Let's break down why this product stands out from the rest. First off, let's talk about precision. The ultra-precise tip of this eyeliner is incredibly flexible and easy to use. Whether you prefer a fine, natural line or a bold, dramatic look, the Epic Ink Liner delivers every time. Watch as I effortlessly create a flawless winged liner with just a few strokes. The control I have with this liner is unmatched, allowing me to adjust the thickness of my lines with ease. Now, let's touch on some key features. This eyeliner boasts a waterproof, matte formula that ensures your cat eye stays put all day long. Plus, it's vegan, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. And let's not forget about versatility. Whether you're creating a natural, everyday look or going for something more dramatic, this eyeliner has you covered. Pair it with your favorite eyeshadows and mascaras for endless possibilities. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best pencil eyeliner for beginners, look no further than the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner. Its precise application, long-lasting formula, and vegan ingredients make it a must-have in any makeup collection. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, stay fabulous.